Well, this is my bobsled that I've completely restored. It was kind of just smoldering wood crumbs and rust when I started on it. I gotta stay back or I can't see it. But it's a cross chain sled, as you can see. I got to tie those up yet. Otherwise, the sled's completely built. And getting anxious to hook a team up. Got some other machinery here too. Just wanted to do a walk around on this thing. The lumber there is going to be the deck on it, so that we can load things on it like people. Just cool. Very cool. All the old iron and the hand forging, the forge welded stuff. It's just amazing how much fun it was to put together. You can see these old eye bolts there, all handmade, hand forged. Amazing. Salvaged all that. And, you can see on some of the leftover parts, that is, I had parts of a couple of bobsleds and a broken shoe, all wore out. You can see there's a old wore out piece, a couple of old bunks, and if you look on the fire, here's a beam here. This beam was in the best shape. Most of them were just smoldering chunks of garbage. Here was very typical of what the sled looked like when I started rebuilding it. This is a couple of runners, as you can see. Pieces of garbage. And I think it looks very cool. And I'm getting excited about taking it out, hooking it onto the team, taking it out, and getting a ride.